Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your dropshipping business with Oberlo easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Shopify store set up and connected to Oberlo. Log in to your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. Search for Oberlo and click on the app. Click the Add App button to install Oberlo. Once installed, open Oberlo from your Shopify dashboard. On the Oberlo dashboard, explore product categories to find items that fit your niche. Use the search bar to find specific products. Filter results by price, shipping options, and ratings. Select a product you want to sell and click on the Add to Import List button. Review the product details, including images and descriptions. Make any necessary edits to the product title and description for SEO optimization. Once satisfied, click on the Import to Store button. Next, set competitive pricing for your products. Consider using pricing strategies such as keystone pricing or bundles. After pricing is set, focus on marketing your products. Utilize social media platforms to reach potential customers. Create engaging content that showcases your products. Invest in targeted ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Monitor analytics to understand your audience better. Analyze which products perform best in your store. Explore new suppliers to diversify your product offerings. Regularly update your product listings and optimize for search engines. Use Oberlo's built-in analytics to track your sales and inventory. If you encounter low-performing products, consider removing them from your store. Connect with dropshipping communities for support and ideas. Stay informed about industry trends to keep your store relevant. As your sales grow, consider automating tasks such as order fulfillment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.